If your check engine light is on and you have pulled the code P0548, you might be worried about your catalytic converter or your emission system. This code stands for Exhaust Gas Temperature Sensor Circuit Low, Bank 2, Sensor 1. In simple terms, this is a generic powertrain code applicable to vehicles from 1996 and newer, but the specific fix can vary by car. This code points directly to the exhaust gas temperature sensor, located in the up pipe, right before the catalytic converter. The main job of this sensor is to protect your converter from getting destroyed by excessive heat. If you see a similar code, like P0549, that indicates high voltage, but the troubleshooting logic is largely the same. Specifically, this code refers to bank 2, which is the side of your engine that does not contain cylinder number 1. This sensor is essentially a heat-sensitive resistor. It converts exhaust temperature into a voltage signal for your car's computer. It gets a 5-volt signal from the computer on one wire, and the other wire is a ground. As the exhaust gets hotter, the resistance to the ground drops, which sends a higher voltage back to the computer. Conversely, lower temperatures mean more resistance and lower voltage. When the engine senses low voltage, the computer tries to adjust timing or fuel ratios to keep temperatures safe. On diesel engines, this is also used to time the regeneration of the diesel particulate filter. Symptoms are usually limited to the check engine light, but the causes can be loose connectors, broken wires causing a short to ground, or a failed sensor. It is also common if someone has installed a catback exhaust system without provisions for this sensor. To fix this, locate the sensor on bank 2. Check the connectors for corrosion or loose terminals. You will want to use an ohm meter to check the resistance of the sensor itself. A good sensor usually reads about 150 ohms. If it is below 50 ohms, replace it. You can also test it by heating it with a hairdryer while watching the resistance change. If everything tests fine there, check for 5 volts at the engine side connector. If you have removed your catalytic converter for an aftermarket system, remember that this is illegal in most states in the United States and can result in heavy fines. If you need a temporary bypass until a repair is made, some people use a 2.2 ohm resistor taped into the connector to trick the computer. But the correct fix is always to repair the system properly to keep our air clean. If you are unsure about testing electrical circuits, take it to a professional. Thanks for watching and drive safe.